Yeah, taking the dogs on a walk right now. Still a pretty slow Friday. Probably sent out 2 emails, couple instant messages. Other than that, ain't nothing going on. Come on, Jables, come on. Other than that, ain't nothing going on. Try to get outside, get some sunlight. But yeah, this is pretty much my life, my work life for the last 2-3 years. Kind of get used to the freedom. You know, being in the office gets pretty boring. You know, who wants to be in the office all day? You can be in the sunlight, relaxing, you know. That's the benefits of being able to work remotely. You can do your laundry. You can make something to eat. All your food is at home. You ain't got to spend no money eating out. You ain't got to worry about traffic.
Yeah, most days are slow. Um, Depending on your position in GovTech, it's kind of different from other jobs that I've experienced in my life. Um, just like working in a shipyard, they expect you to be doing something at all times of the day, and if you're not, you could possibly get fired. Um, but what I've noticed being in GovTech, there's not always going to be something to do. There's going to be, for me, there's been a lot of downtime. Sometimes it's been really hectic, but it's up and down. That's expected. And in my free time, I do research and study for more certifications. So that's the good thing about being in GovTech. You get freedom of time. You get your time back, in my opinion. So somebody who's been waking up at 4:30 in the morning, 5:30 in the morning just to get to work, that eventually gets old. So it got old for me. Right now, I'm still doing some research. It's Friday. Sending out some emails. Other than that, it's just gonna be a regular day. And honestly, this is normal for me. The last 2-3 years, I've been at home researching, getting more certifications, reading. I'll show you what I'm reading later. Um, it's not really much to it. Once you got the information, you're pretty much getting paid for the knowledge. You get paid for what you know and your experience. So and if you're somebody who's an entrepreneur looking to build your own business, I feel like GovTech would be the way to go. You can make 6 figures and be able to work remotely depending on where you're at and what position you're going for. And that can give you a lot of free time. Especially if you have kids. You got younger kids and you get to the system administrator level and higher, your day to day is not you're not in meetings all day. You're not there's not a lot of hustle and bustle. And that's why you see on the internet people on Reddit talking about how they're working multiple jobs. They're working multiple jobs because, you know, some jobs only require 1 to 2 hours of work per day. It's kind of rinse and repeat. So, like I said, if you got a business idea, or you have a business that you've been working on, this may be the way to go. You use this money to fund your business and get to the next level.
So since nothing is going on right now, I've been studying for the CISSP, and I've already gone through the questions and read the whole book, the study book already, which is like 1,000 pages. The practice test book is about 440 pages. So my plan is right now to go through each chapter of questions per day. So that's around about 100 questions. And mind you, I've already circled the answers already. So all I'm doing is going around each question and looking at any term I don't know and looking it up to make sure I know what it means for the test. My plan is to take the test around like March or April. The test runs for about like $800, so that gives me enough time to save up for it. Other than that, we're just outside chilling, getting some sunlight, and getting ready for the weekend.